I built CloudPanel Gateway, a secure AI-ready server automation control plane. CloudPanel is a great for managing servers and websites, but it has no official API or MCP integration that makes automation dependent on manual dashboard work, shell commands, or broad SSH access. First, we'll go through CloudPanel dashboard. So this is a plain dashboard where I have one linked website, which is reverse proxy to the CloudPanel Gateway MCP. Now, my project adds three structured interfaces: a REST API for application, MCP tools for AI agents, and a local admin CLI for operators. It began as a CloudPanel CLI wrapper, but became a broader safe automation layer for real server operations. Apart from server operations, it also deploys the website. It also changes the cron jobs. It updates, creates cron jobs. It's also update the website settings. Along with PHP, it also supports Node.js. There are certain core capabilities like sites, users, database, cloud panel administration, site settings, logs, delivery recovery, and application hosting and scheduling. So you can also ask your agent to go through the logs and check what is wrong with your website and stuff like that. Let's create a very simple website and let's see the demo of Cloud Panel works, how it works. I have configured my Cloud Panel MCP with my codecs. Now we will create a simple website. So here I've asked that use CloudPanel MCP, create a site, demo php.make-my-app.online with PHP 8.4, then assign a SSL certificate, and then upload the current file into the root of the site. So I have a very small PHP demo, which is currently in the same directory, which will be hosted on the domain. So our agent has finished creating the site, also adding a SSL certificate and uploading the artifact to the site. Now let's refresh our Cloud Panel. And as you can see, the domain is here. It is mapped. Okay, let's also open the app. So as you can see, we have our demo page over here. The SSL certificate has also been generated. Now let's do one more round of the MCP call. If you see the site settings, currently we have upload max size 64 MB and the time zone set to UTC. Now let's change this. So agent has finished changing the settings. Let's refresh the page. And as you can see, the upload max size has been changed to 32 MB and the time zone also has been changed. I used Codex as an engineering partner throughout the development. I used this to inspect the Cloud Panel CLI and live server behavior, design the architecture, implement Go services and MCP tools, also write test cases and documentation, and validate the installer on the disposable environment. Codex also helped me find the real integration issues during the live testing, including SQLite locking, service startup typing, engine isolation, and all other things from beginning to the release. That's all for the demo. Thank you so much.